National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Amber, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, Blanchard, Mustang, Tuttle, Union City, Minko, Amber, Bridge Creek, Pocasset, and Middleburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.